Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
I wanna make up right now, see you whining, grinding, all on the floor like that.
Ki Samla Pule Nonghikai juga sekolah ba North Eastern Hill University hakajan mit sgi Pdiang ka santrik unai weng arjap saw. Kila Pdiang Burom yau senior most Professor Jong ka sekolah ba Nehu Professor Saha. Ban chimti sport ku Vice Chancellor Incharge. Hadian ba Vice Chancellor Professor PS Shukla ula shim shuti. Professor PS Shukla ula shim shuti earned leave haka khat santrik unai weng arjap saw. Bat ula pentip ru ba un shim shuti biang naduk ka khat nyau trek haduk ka arp knai trek unai weng bat pentip ru ba ya ka jing shim shuti un dangla ban penjalan chu la da don kam hadian ke jing elang ka balingkot Nonghikai bi Samla Pule kila elam yu Professor Saha shaka office trekam jong Vice Chancellor ban pet ya ka skul ba na ka benta shipor Professor Saha habakran hagani jing elang shwa ban shimti ka kam ula kentu ki Samla Pule bakin penkut no ki jing khi shatkan bat ula airu ka jing kular ban pen bai ikijing suki pasuki katkom ke ikhtiar ka ba udon tangkum Vice Chancellor Incharge besipor.
As you are already aware, the fact that VC has gone on leave for 15 days at the moment from today, and by virtue of which that I am the senior most professor as per our University Act, Ordinance and Statutes, so automatically I become the VC in charge in his absence. That's why I have no option than to take charge as Vice Chancellor in charge. Yes, from day one, I am here with the student because they are like my children. We are seeing, observing the pain they are taking for the noble cause of this university. This is our university. And I would like to mention that I am the product of this university. I am here since 1980. I did my all study here and has become faculty, and then I completed 37 years of service here. So I have seen ups and downs of this university. I've seen the best part of it and now the worst part of it. So this is very painful to us to see this university is now at this turmoil position. So I have taken charge. Okay, so now I know all the problems, and I'll try my level best in collaboration with my student fellow, my teacher fellow, non-teaching staff, the problem which you have with whatever limited power which I have. So we'll try to resolve all this problem. So we do not know exactly because I'm busy in charge, you know it. So we'll see how much we can do it and try to solve the problem. My first priority will be that students, those who are on hunger strike, so I'll request them so to withdraw their hunger strike because they are really in a very, very bad situation. My secretary of that Nehu has mentioned that many of us are now in the hospital. It is really painful to hear. We cannot sleep in the night. See, looking at the condition of the student in this cold weather, and they are just sitting here and all. So it is really painful to us because I'm not only teacher, I'm also like parents of all the children. Okay, so that is really painful to us. We cannot tolerate that. So we'll try whatever best we can do it in collaboration with the help of our students community as well as teachers community, non-teaching community, to resolve this issue step by step slowly. So it is such a big issue, so many issues are there, it is not possible to resolve in one day, so we have to go stepwise, and then we'll try our level best to resolve all these issues. Congress means you have to work with me, generally we will solve the problem, okay? So I need all your help, cooperation, generally we can run this university. Come, all of you. We have to work together. Okay. Please come, students, come here. And you have to work together. Okay. So this is your university. Okay. Very tall you can be. Yes, So, welcome, sir. Thank you, sir. We have to work together. I'm sitting here, and then I need all cooperation and help from all angles, from student union, teachers, non-teaching staff, and everybody. Then only we can run this university smoothly, and we can really progress and bring back the old image, whatever is there, glory of this university.